So you might be stuck in this random situation where your dynamic island on your iPhone is too big. Now, this just happened to me yesterday and I took a screenshot of it because it was so funny. But you might be stuck in a very similar situation that I was stuck in. So, just in case you were in the same exact situation, what I would recommend doing is to follow exactly what I did. Number one, just power down your phone. So, just hit the power button one time, turn off your screen, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. For some people, that might end up doing it, but for some others, that might not end up doing it. I would say it's pretty rare, but there's a chance where you might end up being able to do that. So try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for the most part. Now, if you do that and that doesn't end up working, because it didn't work for me, what I had to do was I had to essentially go through and power down my particular phone. So what I had to do was I had to click the volume up button, volume down button, and I hold the side button right here until my phone, until I could get into this panel. And then I slid my phone to power off. So go ahead and completely power down your phone just like this. Give it a few moments. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down the power button one more time. So hold down the power button just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is power up your phone. And then you will see that the dynamic island is back to what it was before. And that's basically all you're going to have to do there. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.